stocking is. That's not yours. That's not your daughter. Where's your stocking? Show me where your stocking is. Where's your stocking? This is only mom's and dad's first Christmas in Botica. Is that yours? Where's your stocking? Right there. Yes, it is. That's yours. No, you can't have it now. Jersey, you can't have it out now. Buddy, you gotta wait. Jersey, you gotta wait till Christmas morning. Jersey, you got something. Jersey, no. Jersey, no. You got to do that Christmas morning. No. They gotta go back underneath the tree. Santa Claus isn't here yet.
Not yet. A few more days. Few more days.
Now, if you want to do that Christmas